Hey everyone, Technoventure with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone XS in a few different ways using the buttons and without using the buttons. So let's get started. So if you want to use the buttons, you have the volume up or volume down button. You can either or, and then the side button on your right hand side. We need to press and hold either the volume up or volume down button with the side button simultaneously for about a few seconds, just like this, until this menu pops up that will allow you to slide to power off. So that's method number one. Now method number two is by going through your settings and then going to general and then scroll all the way down here to shutdown, and that will also turn off your iPhone. Now a third method you can do to turn off your iPhone XS is using Siri. If you have Siri enabled, check in your settings that you have Siri enabled by going to your settings and then going to Siri and search. Make sure either the Hey Siri is on or the side button is on, and once that's on, you can simply just say, Hey Siri, power down.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, Siri can also help us using our voice to turn off our iPhone XS. Now once it's powered off, you can turn it on in two different ways. You can either press and hold this side button until you see the Apple logo appear, which is going to be the simple and the easiest way. And for some reason, if this isn't working, you could also plug it into the charger, and that will automatically kick it on to turn on whenever it's powered down. Whenever you go to charge your phone, it also turns it back on. So that's how you turn off your iPhone XS. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.